Aye, how's it going today? Today I'm heading up bheinn-a-ghlo and the cluster of Munros, the three Munros that are there, and we'll finish with a wee top. Hopefully a nice short day, and the clouds are lifting, we might get some views. I've brought my drone with me, so I'll try and use it whenever I can to get some aerial footage. Start here at Loch Moraig, and then just head up the track, and that'll take us to a wee stile. Then we'll cross over into the field and then head up onto the hill. As you can see yourself, there's been a lot of work done here, especially in the path restoration side to improve access to this hill. Great job. Just approaching the summit, past this trig point, then onto the summit cairn itself of Carn Liath. I'll take a quick opportunity here to fly the drone across the summit, shows the route that we've just travelled up. Well, that's Carn Liath for you. A nice wee short jaunt up to the summit here. Could provide a short day if that's all you had time for, and you'll be able to get some great views without having to travel over the rest of the ridge. It's up to yourself. I've travelled quite far and I'm out for the day, so I'm off now and I'm going to be heading for Beinn first, then on to the second Munro. It's a bit too windy here as we're walking along this ridge. Not much chance of getting the drone up, and looking ahead it looks as if it's damp and cloudy, so I'll just see what's round the corner. If you look straight across there you can see a wee red scar on the hillside. That's where we'll be coming off later on, all being well. A wee view across to the summit there, and you can just see the descent route that you need to take, which leads you to the bheinn Oct before going up to the last Munro. Now we're heading up the ridge here to carn-nan-gabhar here, which is our final Munro, although we'll try and take in the top after this as well. We're heading to the cairn on carn-nan-gabhar. This is the first cairn, then there's a trig point, and then there's a final true summit cairn at the far away end, which is 1 metre higher than the trig point, and a lot of people forget that. We'll see what it's like in this mist. We're now on the true summit of carn-nan-gabhar at 1121 metres. Unfortunately visibility is poor, so I'm not going to get the drone up here. Maybe improve later on. Oh yeah. My calf muscle's been playing up for the last couple of months, so I was thinking of bailing out and heading into Ghlo Oct, but nah, I'm just going to head over now to the top, which is Airgiod, Beinn, and then we'll take that route down as a descent. I'll put the drone up here and you can see the route that we're having to walk to head back down to the glen, and you can just see the new path in the distance. We'll be following that. This is us on that red scarred path that I mentioned a way back earlier in the walk. This is the final section of the descent, and that'll take us down to the glen and the path home. And now we've got the quagmire. Now we're getting some of the old path here, and as you can see it's very peaty, very boggy, and it was a torture trying to walk out from here. And now we join the new road. Cracking job. Nice and bright, easy to follow. Follow the yellow brick road, as they say, back to the car. I'll put the drone up for one final shot now, just to look back over the route, show you some nice views across Loch Moraig. Thanks for watching, catch up with you later, cheers.